Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be discussing prescribed burns. Now, prescribed burns are extensive in their nature in regards to the different laws and statutes that Oklahoma has on them. Specifically, you're going to want to look into Title II, Section 16-28, 16-28.1, and 16-28.2. However, there might be more statutes regarding prescribed burns, so it is very important that you look through them in detail. And in the event that you do not feel comfortable, it is always a good idea and important to consult with an attorney. That way you know for sure, or at least you have reduced the possibility of breaking any laws and being held civilly or criminally liable. Now, we are going to do a brief overview of some of the requirements that you need to meet in order to do a prescribed burn in the state of Oklahoma. So let's just jump right into this. You're going to have to give your neighbors to the property that you are intending to have this prescribed burn on 60 days notice, either orally or through a written form. You are going to have to go to your closest rural fire department or Department of Forestry and notify them. When you notify them, you should have a document requesting and form requesting the prescribed burn. They will keep the original copy. You will take a copy for yourself so you can keep that with you. And then of course there are numerous other requirements for safety and the way and form that you are going to have to do this. Things that are taken into account are whether or not you are in a protection zone or not. Again, this is just a brief overview, so we're not going into that much detail. Now, in the event that you do not conduct yourself appropriately, and by some negligence, the fire gets out of hand and causes damage, you are going to face civil liability, meaning whatever damage occurred, you're going to have to pay for those damages. Now, in the event that it is determined that you had conducted yourself in such an extreme way that it is determined that gross negligence occurred, you can be found both civilly liable and criminally liable. And at that point, you could face jail time and fines and fees. So you always want to make sure that you follow the procedures. You do not let these fires, these prescribed burns, get out of hand. And again, you don't want to violate any of these statutes. Otherwise, you could be facing, again, criminal charges, fines, and fees. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.